Finding the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points. In this video, you will learn how to find the distance between 2 points on a Cartesian plane. To illustrate how this is done, we will use this example. Example 1. Find the distance between 2 points P1 with the coordinates 1, 2 and point P2 with the coordinates 5, 5. Now, here is the solution. Number 1. Create a sketch of the problem. Draw the 2 points on a Cartesian plane. Draw a straight line connecting the 2 points. Label each point. The analysis of the problem is in step 2. Find the horizontal distance between the 2 points. Count how many squares you have moved to the right. Find the vertical distance between the points. Count how many squares you have moved up. Now, watch this little video or animation to see how to count the horizontal and vertical distances. Number 3. The horizontal and vertical lengths are: the horizontal length is 4 units and the vertical length is 3 units. In step number 4, you will use these measurements to find the length of the line that represents this distance. To do this, you will use a formula called the Pythagorean theorem. And what is the Pythagorean theorem, you ask? This formula will tell you. The distance squared, or the hypotenuse, is equal to the x value squared plus the y value squared. Now, for the Pythagorean theorem, we will take the values that we found in our previous slides, 4 units and 3 units, to substitute into the given formula. This will give us the distance squared is equal to the x value squared plus the y value squared. Distance squared is 4 squared plus 3 squared. Now, using the exponent button on your calculator, you will see that distance squared is 16 plus 9, which adds together to give 25. So we know the distance squared is 25, but what about just the distance? Now, from the previous slide, we know that the distance squared was calculated to be 25. So, if we take the square root of distance squared, that would equal 2. And if we take the square root of 25, by pressing the square root button on your calculator, you will find the answer is 5. This tells us then the distance is 5. And now, state the conclusion, the distance is 5. This means the length of the distance between the 2 points, 1, 2, and 5, 5 is 5 units. Now, in our next video, we will investigate some additional examples.